Back in again. Wow, I got a lot of junk on me. Let's, let's build some stuff on the roof. Oh, I should go ahead and stop the engine and just let us float whatever way we're gonna float. Okay. Okay. Like this, I think. And like this. We're gonna be learning a lot here, I think. Not like that. Cool. And then pick up at an angle. Like over. Get pretty straight. There we go. Up to the same spot. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oop. Like that. We're building a frame here, and then we'll fill it out later. Like that. And slightly back like this. Not like that. It's double click so easily. Okay. Like that. Good. Out to like here. Here. And one to there. Yeah. One to there. Stay on top of this. Nope, maybe not. Let's do like that. And like that. That. Like that. Yeah, we're gonna need a decent amount more wood. But that's fine. Make looks okay. Let's make need to chop some trees down now. And grab this stuff. Just come up here and eat it, dude. Okay. And then I'm just gonna drop off some junk to clear out the inventory a little bit. I need more wood. What am I doing? Chop, chop, chop. Oh, did I not plant a tree there? Oops. Or maybe I just chopped it down just now. That's a possibility as well. Let's have some apple juice here. I've abandoned the journey north in favor of like art, which is pretty common for me. Oh, look, all my plants have grown. Beautiful. Red flowers are still growing though. Two. Then back up we go. Back to the real work. Let's go 1, 2, 3. Like that. This is going to be the hardest part, I reckon. Dang it. What'd I do there? Oh, that's gone. Cool. Right? Can I build like a, what's it called? Oh, for some reason I thought these were like ladders you could climb, but over here, do something comparable. Put that back. Yeah, okay. Basically as far out as it'll go, right? I wish there were better ways to control this, kind of. Are these? Right there. Oh, he's beautiful. Except this needs to go like at a way less sharp angle. There we are. Mm, come on, this way. There we are. Wow, that might be the best one I've done. Oh, these are all going great. Oh, look, it's my muse. Let's do like. Oh, did I miss? Yeah, it should kind of go. There we go. And we'll do some feet there, I reckon. That'd be nice. Gotta wait for some trees to grow though. Well, I guess I could chop the ones that are already up. And also, I've got some wood down here. Guys, and I know, I get it. I'm lazy too. Sometimes I am in that situation where you're on the couch and you're like, oh, it's time to go to bed. I'm so sleepy. But instead of getting up and going to bed, you just lay there for longer thinking how tired you are and how much you want to go to bed. I've been there. Hey, haven't we all? Oh, the red flowers are grown. Forgot they just look so sad. I think in real life they would look gorgeous, but in this game compared with the other flowers, they just look. Oh yeah, that's gonna look great from down here, dude. Um, I just need some red paint here. That still isn't done. Finished. I don't know why I thought it would be finished. We'll definitely have to build something in here too. This is great. I'm having a great time. Whoa, double banana seeds. That's nice. Come on, give me one banana seed at least, so I can. Whoa, are bananas just like broken good? Do they just like double the seed output in exchange for the fact that they don't exist like except for in one spot? Because if so, killer. Let's plant some more of these guys. Let's put these guys down too. There we go. It'll rain soon enough. God, I wish I'd discovered a passion for art earlier in life. Ain't that the way, though, you know? Oh, red paint's probably not by now, though. Come on, pick it up. What else? I have other flowers, right? Yeah. Let's get some. Ooh, I have more detail points just hanging out. Let's get some. Oh, I actually have quite a lot of flowers now. Let's throw some of these on. Get them going. We're just going to be in a sort of frenetic art world, I think, for the rest of the series here. Oh, do I have real paint? Yes. Okay. Yeah. And then. We're getting like a little weird with it. I'm cool. I'm good. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's called art, dummy. Ever heard of it? Wow. I'm like modern and stuff. Oh, I wish it would fit there, but no. Unfortunately not. Oh, good, it's raining. Right. And let's do more. More like that. And do. Kind of hard to see the angle when you're like this. 20 here. So let's do boom. I'm gonna need more than 20 to finish this out, I think, for sure. The bottom while I'm thinking about it. Oh, come on. So I want probably just 20 more for like the wings, if nothing else. What does it take to build? Okay, yeah. Hang on. This is gonna be good. Also, it'll help me to see while I'm like actually building. It's great. Up. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Let's get on top. Come on. Let's go. And oh, he's gorgeous. Really good. He's almost done. I just need like, I want to say like 10 or 12 more for the wings because I want him to be like kind of scrappy like that. And then maybe I'll paint him. I don't know though. He kind of is gorgeous as is, but maybe paint him like all black and red, just have him be spooky, sort of contrast against the sort of Legoland aesthetic I got going on down here. Could be nice. Oh my gosh, it's already daytime. Well, time flies when you're having fun. Gee whiz. Oh, I'm so pleased now. I'm so happy. Why am I so happy? Um, well, I'm gonna call it for now. Thanks for watching.